gratitude to the media for their commitment to contribute airtime worth Kenya shillings 100 million to support response to this crisis. The measures we are taking at present are aimed at responding to the current crisis in the immediate and the short term. For us to comprehensively address such a threat in the long term, we have to acknowledge and act to reverse the adverse effects of climate change. Economic, climatic changes and political uncertainty loomed large. Global supply chain and including forests, rivers, and wetlands. We must therefore remain committed to confront this existential challenge and do it head-on. It is imperative at the year's onset for us to prioritize environmental conservation efforts and implement aggressive reforestation and wetland restoration programs. Scientific evidence indicates that restoring our natural habitats is our best defense against escalating weather extremes. To this end, I urge you, fellow citizens, to sustain and intensify your positive response to the ecosystem restoration agenda, which aims to grow 15 billion trees nationwide within the next 10 years. This year's program on climate action agenda will be made public in the coming days. The Ministry of Environment and Climate Change and Forestry is hereby directed to immediately expedite the implementation of the ecosystem restoration program and work with all ministries, departments and agencies and other stakeholders to provide a whole of government, whole of society, whole of nation program. In the face of daunting challenges, immense threats, and unprecedented hazards, our nation has never faltered. The people of Kenya always stand with one another and work together to overcome adversity. We are called upon once again to join hands in this critical juncture and support each other until this season passes, and afterwards in all endeavors to secure a sustainable future for generations to come. Together, we will win the war against climate change, and also we will build. Under the difficult conditions we all faced,